Good evening, everybody. We're bringing you the latest on Lee right now. Category 1 storm, 85 miles per hour, getting bigger as it moves north. It's about 200 miles to the west of Bermuda, and you can see it looks like they're right in the center of it, right? Now, here's the center over here. It's just such an expansive storm. So even though we've got pretty good certainty of the track at this point, and it's going to pass a couple hundred miles offshore here, Cape and the island is still going to get grazed by this pretty nicely as it pulls on by. And you can see it's rapidly weakening as it's getting up towards the Gulf of Maine and Nova Scotia as it moves up into Canada. So let's talk about the timing here. Clouds, high clouds increasing tonight. Mostly cloudy tomorrow. There'll be some breaking through, but the clouds start thickening up towards tomorrow evening as those outermost rain bands. I mean, look at this rain shield. Torrential rain around this storm. And this is hundreds of miles of rain without any breaks. So it's a good thing that the storm has been nudging east, but we're still going to be getting some heavy rain bands for the Cape and the islands. Some moderate rainfall here, probably up to the Providence city limits. And then you go west of that, you're not talking about much in the way of rainfall, which is, again, excellent news considering how much we've got in the last couple of days. You can see the heavy rain hugging the coastline as it continues to push north. And folks, by the time we get to Saturday, late afternoon, evening, we're likely seeing some sunshine in our western zone. So this is going to be a fairly quick event. Now, look at the wind shield. Look at the wind field expanding as the storm gets further north. So even though the hurricane and even tropical storm force swaths are offshore, we're still looking at tropical depression level winds, which as you look at the chart over there, it's about 39 to 58 miles per hour, but that's sustained. Gusts are going to be higher than that. So the red here, this is the high threat, 1 to 2 inches of rain, gusts 50 to 75 miles per hour. You get up to about Plymouth, moving into New Bedford. That's a moderate threat area here in the yellow up to Providence. 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch rainfall, gusts 35 to 55 miles per hour, and it's a much lower threat. Light rain, if any at all, and a little breezy areas west of that. I want to take you on a little journey here. I'm going to get out of the way. Look at what the surge potential is. It's all those winds funneling the water into Cape Cod Bay. The ocean's going to have some pretty nice wave action, but not as much in the way of surge potential. So we start in the Scituate area down towards Rivermore, Ferry Hill. You can see those yellow shadings, especially by Ocean Bluff, indicating inundation of 2 to 4 feet. Not too bad in the Plymouth area. That's good news. Fisherman's Landing, you're looking okay. But as you get over towards the Cape, Sandwich, getting over to Squirtin Shores, Barnstable, Dennis area, look at that. You can see those blue and yellow shadings there. West Brewster even looks like we could see some inundation. A little bit for Chatham, Orleans, Eastham, Sunken Meadow Beach. Not all that bad, but then you get into the Mayo Beach and the Truro areas, looking like we'll see some inundation there up to Pilgrim Heights, Provincetown, and Wood End as well at the tip of the Cape. Again, we said the wave action, not the surge. The wave action is going to be most on the ocean side, but the surge wraps around into the bay here. Look at these monstrous waves offshore. 30, 40-foot waves conceivably, swells at the center of the storm, but we're getting a lot of that pushed inland here. We'll probably still see about 5 to 10 feet over here, a little bit bigger, 10 to 15, maybe as high as 20 feet right along the Cape. And then look at that. It's out of here. Much better conditions as we head into Sunday, which is good news because Sunday is arguably a beach day. 56, high clouds increasing tonight, cool and comfy with those north winds and low humidity. Clouds increasing tomorrow as we head into Saturday. We'll see that those bands of showers beginning to work in early Saturday morning. Heavy rain at the Cape, windiest at the Cape as well. Sunday, great day, a little breezy but nice and bright, 78 degrees again, arguably a beach day. Monday we'll see some showers before a fantastic middle of the work week.